Hello everyone, welcome to POE Channel. POE as a professional SMT factory. Our environment is equipped with anti-static floors and protection against electrostatic discharge, ESD. So, what is SMT factory ESD? ESD, electrostatic discharge, in SMT factories refers to the phenomenon of static electricity being transferred from one charged object to another. Electronic components are very sensitive to static electricity, especially the tiny components such as ICs, chips, etc. used in SMT factories. Failure to properly manage ESD may cause component damage, product failure, or process problems, so it is crucial to implement ESD protection in SMT factories. How POE do SMT factory ESD protection? In order to ensure that there are no product quality problems caused by static electricity in SMT factories, the following are common ESD protection measures. First one, establish an ESD protection area, EPA. EPA, Electrostatic Protected Area, is a specially designed area in the SMT factory, where all ESD sensitive devices are handled and stored. People and tools entering this area must be treated with anti-static treatment. Secondly, ESD protection equipment, anti-static workbench. Use anti-static materials to cover the workbench to prevent static electricity accumulation. Grounding system. All workbenches, equipment, and tools should be grounded so that static electricity can be safely released through the grounding system. Anti-static packaging. Use special packaging materials such as anti-static bags and anti-static trays to protect devices from static electricity. Thirdly, personnel protection. Wear anti-static clothing, grounding with chalk. Fourthly, environmental control. Humidity control. A dry environment is prone to static electricity accumulation. It is generally recommended to keep the relative humidity between 40% to 60% to reduce the generation of static electricity. The fifth one, ESD monitoring and detection. Use static voltage detectors, wristbands, monitors, surface resistance tester, and the other equipment to monitor and measure static electricity levels in the factory environment in real time to ensure that static electricity remains within a safe range. Sixthly, ESD training. Employees need to receive regular training on ESD protection knowledge to understand how to prevent static electricity and how to properly handle ESD sensitive components. ESD protection in SMT factories is a key link in ensuring the quality of electronic components and finished products. By establishing an electrostatic protection area using anti-static equipment and tools, managing environmental humidity, training personnel, and following international standards, a qualified SMT factory can effectively reduce the impact of ESD on product quality. Hope you are happy with the information today. If you are interested to know more about PCBA industrial, click subscribe below.